Hey YouTube, welcome back. This is a quick update on the LetPot Seed Starter. And I want to say a couple weeks ago, we started some onions, 3 different types. And as you can see, for the most part, we got a pretty decent germination rate. The red onions, we got 9 of the 10 areas germinated. And the the white onions here that we're looking at, we got out of the 15, looks like we got 13 germinated. And here it looks like we got all 15 cells germinated. So what I did was I turned the heater off. You see that it's not lit here. And I increased the light amplitude by pressing the button. This has turned the light off. This has it on less volume, and this has it on the higher volume for seedlings. So everything looks like it's going along pretty well. I took the dome off also, and as I said, everything looks like it's going along pretty well. Now I'm going to let the onions continue to get bigger and taller, and I'm probably going to give them a haircut at some point, and then we're going to continue letting them grow. I want them to get pencil width, and then we'll be able to plant them out. So stay tuned for future updates.